Hello everyone. Now I am discussing about web technology. You can understand what is web technology by seeing the picture. Those applications we are accessing by internet or web browser, that is called web application, and we call this technology as a web technology. So in web technology there are four parts to build a web applications. One is basic, another one is scripting, another one is graphics, another one is database. We will describe each of these one by one. So basic of web technology, we can simply build a web project like web application using HTML, CSS and HTTP. So HTML is the hypertext markup language, is used to describe and define the content of a web page. CSS's cascading style sheet are used to describe the appearance or presentation of content on a web page. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and it is used to deliver HTML and other hypermedia documents on the web. Scripting language. There are two types of scripting language. One is client side, another one is server side. If we go for client side, that is JavaScript. JavaScript is the programming language that runs in our browser. You can use it to add interactive and dynamic features to your website or application. If we think about server side language, then that is JSP, Java Server Page, ASP.NET Microsoft Active Server Pages, PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. We will discuss about it later. I will discuss about it later. So there are two types of graphics in web technology. One is SVG, another one is WebGL. Scalable vector graphics let you describe images as a set of vectors and shapes. One advantage of SVG is that they scale smoothly regardless of the size at which they are drawn. WebGL is basically JavaScript API that let you draw 3D or 2D graphics using HTML, Canvas element, and Unity are going to use it. So database is another important thing for web technology. So one general concept is uh, to allow the definition, creation, querying, update, and administration of database. We are use DBMS, and some well-known DBMS is MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and many more. So SQL, structured query language. It is used to communicate with our database from application. Now we are describing about popular language, which is server-side scripting language. So Python has introduced by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Large organization that makes use of Python, including Wikipedia, Google, NASA. The social news networking site Reddit is written entirely in Python. If we go for Java, then JSP is our web language. So Sun Microsystem has introduced it, and in 1999. So banking and financial institute are going to use it, and they are uses it a lot. They use a lot. So ASP.NET has introduced by Microsoft in 2002, large organization that makes Use of ASP.NET, including Guru.com, outsourcing company, GoDaddy, domain hosting company, and Zero IRP solution. And last one is PHP. Rasmus has introduced it in 1994. Large organizations that are going to use it, that is some web content management, Joomla, Drupal, WordPress, MediaWiki are some of them, and social media, Facebook and Lee are also using.